Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? Here we go. Just a little bit, just a little bit. There it is. Oh my God. This is gonna taste amazing on my pizza. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight I'm gonna teach you how to make Mama Gallo's amazing pizza sauce. It's so simple, it's so easy, anyone can do it, but you gotta have the passion. You gotta put that love into that sauce. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so this is very simple. Here are our ingredients. We have basil, we have a half a tablespoon of sea salt, we have some beautiful San Marzano tomatoes here. The San Marzano are the best because they come from the south and they're very sweet. So let's start off by pouring our San Marzano tomatoes into our bowl here. And what we're gonna do is very simply, you do not want to blend this or put it through a food processor. We're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, Mama's way. We're just gonna reach in and crush them, okay? We want all of the ingredients from these tomatoes to be in our sauce. We can now start to add our salt. Just mix it in throughout. Crush it up really fine like this, you see? Just like this, really, really easy. Now, one of the things you don't want to do is cook the sauce. Do not cook the sauce beforehand, you'll ruin the flavor. You see the consistency, you see? See it? We're just gonna squish it down with our hands. We want all of this. You'll start to add our basil leaves. Now, what I like to do is I like to tear them, break them. That's when you get the real flavor out of the basil. Don't be shy with the basil, that's where all the flavor comes from. Beautiful basil. Now, I like to do this the day before I'm going to use the sauce because the basil will actually become more aromatic. I use a lot of basil because I love the fragrant flavor of basil and the taste is just awesome. Now I'm going to add a touch of olive oil. And there it is. It's that simple. And that's how simple it is, folks. That's how simple it is to make this beautiful Mama Gallo's pizza sauce. Now, I am going to cover it and put it in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow, I'm going to make a pizza with it. And I'll show you just how easy that is. It's going to be great. Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? Here we go. Just a little bit, just a little bit. There it is. Oh my God, this is gonna taste amazing on my pizza. Guys, I wanna thank you very much for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, Mama Gallo's perfect pizza sauce. Guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me to continue to bring you all of Mama Gallo's wonderful recipes. But most important, the most important thing of all, I love you, Mama. 100 anni, salute!